Alright, so we finally made it out to SEMA today. Get a lot of good content out here, see a lot of wild vehicles, a lot of components, and I'm sure there'll be some burn downs and drifting as well. So complete turbo setup here for this Honda. Like little rat rods. That's not a lot up there for that LS. So that's what we're looking to get into right there, the hot work, turbo systems, cold side as well. That's the primary reason why I'm here, to check out some of the vendors for the components for the hot and cold side. And we got this 31 100% custom here, twin turbo front. Yeah, so we just talked to Clay Milliken a little bit. We'll get a nicer guy. Over here at the Stronghang booth, we've seen a review on it. Notcher, we have that one as well. Clamp systems. Do any kind of fabrication. They have just about everything you want. Love this rotating table here. You're making components, you make quick work out of that. There's some Magnuson setup on it. It's a really nice 57. You can't beat those body lines. This is a fairly clean truck. Air ride suspension. I don't know if those are 26s or what, but it's pretty clean. 502, can't beat that. So this quantum saw here would be a nice addition to the shop. Let's get some information on this. It's got a nice working height as well. Nice band. And if you remember the Corvair, a nice front end version of it. And you gotta love stuff like this. Dirty Life's off-road buggy. That's some nice TIG welds. We did a nice job welding that up on the arms, right down to the stainless exhaust. And this is supposed to be the new Batmobile. Cool truck, a little nostalgia. Got a bit of fab work on the inside of that. All those old big rolling fenders. And who doesn't like the old muscle, old Hemi-Cuda? Remember when these came out? This good looking truck from Deluxe Wheel Company. Nice looking truck. This is nice if you're a GTR lover. Nice looking GTR here. This is a nice truck from Creative Wraps. I'm assuming it's probably a drift setup. Twin turbo. I assume diesel. Don't know my diesel very well. That's a nice setup. Interesting truck here. Kind of made it look like a small semi. A lot of nice work in there. It's quite the setup there with their Pro Charger. It's a nice build. One of our next purchases, plasma table. If you're a That's Counts Customs. You got Horny Mike's bike here. Water to air cold side. It's a nice setup on this Ferrari. My dad would go crazy over this old Hudson. It was one of his favorite. That and Henry J was his favorite vehicles. All blacked out. This is truly probably one of the nicer ones I've ever seen. And if you want it, going up to no reserve. Nice setup from Z-Ready, set up for a Nissan. And if you like the new vets, nice Magnuson set up there. And you have LS Power Teslas. Alright, something near and dear to my heart. We are in the Miller booth, letting people do some aluminum work. We get out to a lot of shows during the year. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Follow our builds, and we'll see you in this next show.